What if your factory floor could think? BEET AI does just that, giving you the insight of 1,000 experts, watching every station, every cycle, in real time. BEET AI is an intelligent manufacturing platform that delivers high-resolution visibility into every motion and event on your factory floor, with no added sensors or hardware. It integrates seamlessly with your existing machines, systems, and enterprise software, and can be fully deployed in days, not months. Think of it like high-definition game film for your production line, not just the numbers, but the full play-by-play. Your ERP tells you how many units you made. Your MES flags where bottlenecks occur. BEET AI tells you why performance is slipping, what's likely to fail next, and how to fix it before it impacts output. By digitizing operations down to individual motions and devices, BEET provides precisely synchronized PLCs, surfacing actionable insights in real time. No guesswork, no blind spots. In one plant, BEET uncovered a single process step that had been overcycling by 3 seconds for 5 years. A 15-minute fix boosted throughput by 3.6 jobs per hour. That's thousands of units per year, unlocked instantly. BEET doesn't just optimize machines, it empowers people, giving frontline teams the tools to see issues sooner, solve problems faster, and improve every shift. Most customers see results in under 30 days, 5% improvement in OEE, 15% more throughput, 50% less unplanned downtime, 100% ROI. Stop guessing, start improving. Make every second count with BEET AI.